Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is our next problem. Problem number 20. Mathematical methods in physics. Problem number 20. Problem having been chosen or taken or selected from the book Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Dennis G. Zill. As usual, we first come to its statement. Okay, determine whether a equal to 2I plus j minus k and b equal to 6 minus 6I minus 3j plus 3k are parallel vectors. Okay, we have to determine, we have to find out, we have to decide whether vector a and b, whose values are given, are parallel or not. Okay, dear students, now we come to its solution. But before solving this problem in a formal manner, we must go through one or two perhaps snapshots. Okay, one snapshot. Yes, one snapshot, only one snapshot. We have to go through a snapshot which will provide a foundation regarding the solution of this problem. Okay, this, according to this snapshot is about criterion for parallel vectors. Okay, this snapshot says two non-zero vectors a and b are parallel if and only if a cross b is equal to 0. Okay, that is their vector product, that their cross product is equal to 0. So dear students, quite simple, we will have to find the cross product or vector product of these two vectors, and if it becomes equal to 0, then we will assume that vectors are parallel. If it is not equal to 0, then we will say that vectors are not parallel. Okay, now a cross b, its a method or way is that in the first row we write I, j, k from ourselves, and in second row we write the elements of first vector, and in the second row we write the elements of second vectors. Okay, so because vector a is equal to 2I plus j minus k and vector b is equal to minus 6I minus 3j plus 3k, so now we expand this determinant from first row. Okay, I into minus 1 raised to the power 2. Similarly with j we will write minus 1 raised to the power 3. Similarly with power k, with k we will write minus 1 raised to the power 4. Okay, because actually dear students, we are, because I is occurring in first row and first column, so minus 1 power 1 plus 1, that is plus 1, while j is occurring in first row but second column, so minus 1 raised to the power 3 will become minus 1, and k is occurring in first row and third column, so minus 1 raised to the power 1 plus 3 equal to 4, and hence even power of minus 1, it will become plus 1. Okay, that is to say with I we will take positive sign, plus sign, with j we will take minus sign, and with k we will take plus sign. Okay, so I minus 1 raised to the power 2 into first column and first row will be treated as omitted or eliminated, and we will multiply this and then subtract multiplication of this, and that is to say 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, 1 into 3 3 minus this into this, minus into minus will become plus, because we know that multiplication of similar signs result in plus sign, while multiplication of different signs results in minus sign. Okay, so it becomes 0. Now in terms of while j will be discussed, second column and first row will be treated as omitted, and hence 2 into 3 6 minus 1 into 6 6 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Okay, because this minus 6 will, when multiplied with minus 1, it will become plus 6, but as per formula it is to be subtracted from multiplication of 2 into 3. Okay, so it will become 6 minus 6, that is 0. When we will consider k, then third column and first row will be treated as omitted or eliminated, and we will multiply this and then subtract multiplication of this, that is to say minus 6 minus 6, that is to say minus 6 plus 6, it also becomes 0. So all the three become 0, and hence we see that cross product of A cross B becomes equal to 0, and this 0 value suggests that these two vectors are parallel to each other. Okay, so this implies that parallel, that is to say vectors A and B are parallel. This is the end of our problem. This is the end of our video. Till next video,